Hello. On this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use the affiliate service of Rango Exchange. The affiliate and referral system is a part of Rango that enables you to earn crypto tokens for referring others to use Rango's services. To use the affiliate system, you must open Rango Exchange website and click on the Open App button. You will be moved to app.rango.exchange page. On this page you can view the affiliate button on top. Just click on the affiliate button. This page describes how you can create a referral link, share your referral link with others to invite them to use Rango Exchange, and receive 50% of swap fees as your affiliate reward. So basically, you must start by creating a link. To create a link, click on Invite Friends button. Then you must choose a BSC wallet of yours. I'm gonna use MetaMask wallet. A modal pops up and asks me to sign a message for creating referral link. As you can see, this signature is to prove that you are the owner of this address. It's just a signature, meaning that it requires no fee and is not a transaction that will be broadcasted to the blockchain. When I sign this, and the affiliate link is generated for me. As you can see, this short link by Cuddly is my affiliate link that I can share with others to earn affiliate fees. And the link is connected to this wallet. So basically I copy this link. Or you can use the original longer link. I copy this link. Then let's disconnect our wallet and close the tab. When another person opens this link, is redirected to Rango Exchange's swap page on app.rango.exchange. Let's switch MetaMask to another account, and consider that another person is using the affiliate link to perform a swap on Rango Exchange. So I'm going to swap, let's say, convert some ETH to USDT. Select ETH from Ethereum as input token, and USDT from Ethereum as output token. Type the input amount here and the expected output amount will be visible. Click on Swap button, it asks me to sign the transaction. Okay, as you can see, right now I'm signing as the referred user. I signed the transaction and it's being sent to the blockchain. Okay, I received a notification informing me that the transaction was successful. Let's disconnect the wallet now and switch it to the original wallet I used to create referral link. Then switch to the affiliate tab and refresh the page. Here you can see the activity of your friends, or referred users. It is showing to me that someone swapped ETH to USDT using my affiliate link. And my affiliate fee was 0.00001 Ethereum. This reward is sent to me by the Rango smart contract. You can see it in the transaction details on Etherscan. This is the part of the input Ethereum was sent to Uniswap router, and a small amount was sent to my affiliate wallet. On some services or blockchains that do not support smart contracts or fee sharing between Rango and the referrer, Rango transfers affiliate fees periodically to affiliates, which will appear in the Payments tab. For now, I have no payments received on Payments tab, because the affiliate fee was directly transferred to me in the swap transaction itself. This success status shows that the transaction was successful and I've already received affiliate fees. If you're eager to know more about Rango's affiliate service, you can go to Affiliate and Referral section on the home page and read more about the monthly payments for periodically distributed affiliate fees. And that's all about the affiliate system by creating referral links. If you are a wallet, app or website owner and you want to enable Rango's services on your product for your users, you'll need an API key to do this. You can get an API key by contacting us on Discord, Telegram or Twitter, or by just sending an email to hi@rango.exchange. We will send you the documentation required to implement Rango's swap service. Feel free to ask your questions on comment section below or DM us in any social media. Good luck!